Welcome and blessings to you, my friend, on the class style. And of course, I do upcycles, revamps, decors, table settings, um, DIYs, crafting, and many more. So I have a pretty short video for you guys today, and you would notice some books here. I have some books that I love to display, but I want to cover them so that they all look, kind of in sync with one another instead of all the different coloring and stuff. So I have four of them, and what I have is a handbag. I took off these straps from the handbag. This one has a nice print on it. Necessarily, I don't want to use the print, but I want to use the inside of it, so I'm going to rip this apart. And I also have some burlap. I had used this as a table runner before, so I want to recover the books with it. So I'm just going to measure out. I like this fluffy edge. I had done it for the table runner, so I think I'm going to do one like this, and I'm going to just cover the rest, which means this is going to be sticking directly on the book itself. So I'm just going to measure how much I want from it, and I'm just going to cut that amount off, and I will stick all of them together when I put the glue gun on. So I'm just going to cut this to size. I have to fray the top here and the bottom, so I'm leaving a little excess for fraying. When I fray, I just pull the threads out, the weaves. We have crosswise weave and lengthwise weaves. I don't know why I'm doing a tongue twister today. So this is it. This is a basket weave, but this is how it's woven. Right? Let me bring it closer to show you. Okay, so I'm just gonna shred them out. So don't forget to give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. I welcome all you new friends to my channel. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use the glue gun and adhere the fabric onto the front and onto the back of the book. Remember, I'm not fooling over any edges because it's frayed. I'm just adhering it together, and already one book is done. Now I had gotten these little flowers stickers from a friend of mine. She actually brought them when she went to Florida. She always bring me such lovely things. Hi to Veronica. And it has an adhesive backing on it, so I'm just gonna adhere it to the book. I will also like to say hi to Kiki from Kiki DIY. She is a wonderful friend. I kept in touch with her, and she was the one who told me about this Flamora app that I could have downloaded on my phone to do my videos on the phone. And thanks again, Kiki. Do check out her channel. She is a lovely person. So I'm just using my glue again to adhere this is the other book, and on this one I'm using some wood flower pieces. These also my friend had bought for me. She has an events shop and she brings in such lovely pieces from abroad. I'm just going to use the glue gun again and adhere it to the book. And now, this is transformation at its best. No money was spent here, guys. I'm just using burlap that I had, brown paper, and of course the twine. I'm just going to put a nice little bow around the book and tie it in a bow. And guys, thanks for stopping by and sharing with me, letting me share with you. And I always enjoy doing these things. I have missed, you guys, because I have been away for such a long time. It's like about 10 months, and I'm just using the edging from the burlap, and I'm going to use the glue gun again and adhere it to the piece. Now these are such simple designs that you can do with anything that you have around your home. So what I'm doing, I'm just going to add one more element to this piece before I start on the other one. I have an extra little piece of burlap here, and I'm just going to form it into a little bow. Just use my glue gun, and all these are very simple, quick and easy things that you can do, guys, with what you already have. I'm crumpling it up in my fingers, and I'm just going to use one of the existing strings that was raveled out, and I'm going to tie it into a bow on the piece. And this is cute, isn't it? And I'm just going to add it in on the side with my glue gun. And this is another piece that is finished. And the transformation, guys, is beautiful. Look how lovely this looks. This is the brown paper, and I just added the burlap on it, and it looks so unique. So this other one, thinking these are the existing straps that I have here from the original bag, and I want to create a handbag effect with this particular one. Now this is not a book that we use, so it can be closed up and we won't miss anything. I'm just using it strictly for design purposes. So I'm just gonna stick the handbag handle onto it. Look how cute it looks already. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to get this that I cut out from the handbag. It says "Come Alive." So I'm just gonna kind of slant it. Sometimes it's nice not to use everything straight line, so I like to do a little slight bend or at an angle at sometimes. I'm using my glue gun again and adhering it to the piece, and I have a little bow that I made with a piece of the extra string. I'm just going to use my glue gun again and adhere it to there, and I have a cute handbag for display. I love it. I'm doing a voiceover because that recording was not done properly, and what I was saying, I'm just doing a little tab to put around to close off the top, and I'm just using my glue gun and adhering it to the piece, and then I will just take the cover and stick it onto itself. And this is how it looks. It looks so cute, guys. I am loving okay, guys, this so piece. These I did 5 of the books, and this is how they came out. This is a smaller one to the first one I did, and this one has live on it. So I think they came out exceptionally well. This is the one with the little bow, and this is another one. Remember these were the wood carvings that I bought, and this is just another one. Now you can display these anyhow you would wish to. I have a basket, and I also have this box. This is a box, guys, that I made. This is trims that I placed around it, and of course I covered the inside. So I'm just gonna arrange them and see which one I prefer, and share it with you guys. Also, I have another one. This is the one that looks like the bag. So I think I'll just leave this on the table So I'm just gonna arrange them and you will let me know which one you think looks nicer. Now, I don't put anything in the baskets, they are just strictly for decorative purposes. So I can arrange them like that. Or I can also layer them in this. So this is the other one. This one I wouldn't want to put in the basket because of the ruffles. I just prefer to have that displayed on a table just like that. So let me know which you prefer, guys. And I just have some lovely florals on the sides. And what I did is I so in love with this handbag book. I placed that one at the back and this one is just flat on the table. And my basket is under. So this is the display and this is how it looks. I opt to use this one because I have more space to display inside of it and I can always add other pieces in it. So that's why I choose this one. But still, let me know which one you like, guys. Your comments are welcome. So thank you very much for stopping by my channel, guys. And like I said, welcome to my new subscribers and my new friends, and happy to see you again, my existing friends. Thank you for letting me share with you. See you soon, guys. Bye for now. Catch you later. Bye, guys.